Today, students are taught English but rarely trained to communicate. They understand the words but lack the confidence to express them. At Quest, we focus on communication skills and personality development, skills every student needs to succeed. We engage students through real speaking tasks, public speaking, and confidence-building activities. No lectures. No memorizing. Only practical training for real-world communication. We help students break stage fear, speak clearly, and carry themselves with confidence. School management sees growth. Parents see transformation. Quest is already empowering students in schools across Telugu states. Partner with Quest, let's build confident communicators together.